This biker was riding when a pedestrian suddenly crossed a red light. The biker braked but slid on the wet road due to heavy rainfall.
Oh, dove vai? Dove cazzo vai? Oh! Quel signore ha attraversato col rosso. Dove vai?
The old man didn't stop, so the biker ran after him.
Dove vai? Vieni là con me, dove vai? Mi stai facendo ammazzare, oh! Ammazzi la gente!
Io ero...
Tu stavi con il rosso! È bagnato! Guidi la macchina, te? Lei guida la macchina?
Se sei fatto male?
Porco due, lei guida la macchina? Perciò non si può rendere proprio conto.
Perché c'è da fare la strada.
No, c'ho pure il video io, grazie. Però porca puttana, cazzo!
Poi siete pericolosi perché fate ammazzare...
Venga con me, venga, venga.
This is why running a red light can be extremely dangerous. On a sunny day, a cyclist is cruising peacefully until a car blocks their way with their hazard lights on. The cyclist knocks on the car to get the driver's attention.
Bike lane. There's a bike lane right here. You're parked in the middle of it.
Fucking order.
What's that?
Knock on my fucking car. Next time, you just pull up to the window and say something. Don't knock on my shit.
Why are you endangering people's lives with your...
My shit.
This machine kills 40,000 people.
My shit, bitch.
Why is misogyny called for in this situation?
Let me tell you something. Before you start fucking with somebody, you better ask yourself what the fuck they're going through.
So what about you with bicycle traffic? This is a piece of infrastructure designed to save the lives of human beings. When you block it...
Look, I'm getting ready to move my car, so you better leave me the alone.
I really appreciate you not breaking the law. That's a basic expectation of living in a
car.
Good.
Leave me the fuck alone.
Get on it. Let's go. Are you experiencing some toxic masculinity right now, sir?
No, I'm not.
Your dog's very cute, sir.
Everyone has found themselves stuck in traffic, waiting in a line of cars to start moving again. Just like this biker was, patiently waiting, when suddenly cars behind him collide into each other, creating a chain reaction of crashes.
Yeah, you're right, mate. Matt, what's your name?
Nick.
Fucking hell.
That's why in many countries, motorcyclists are allowed to lane split. So the next time you see a motorcyclist lane splitting, remember, it's not just about getting ahead, it's about staying safe. This biker was finally riding after being busy for a while, but something unexpected happened on that day. While riding, this group stopped for a stop sign. But then one biker came in too hot and he braked too hard, causing him to slide. The slide ultimately caused the rider's motor underneath him to be taken away. The other rider and his motor kept sliding through the fence across the street. Both suffered only minor injuries. For these kind of bikers, lane splitting should be illegal. This biker confidently navigates through traffic when a car decides to make an unexpected move, catching our biker off guard.
What the f are you doing?
Despite the biker's best efforts, a collision becomes inevitable. At first, the driver ignored the fact that he cut off the biker, but with a bit of persuasion, the car comes to a stop.
Pull over! Pull over! Pull over! Pull over, bro! I got you on camera. Bro, I got so lucky. He's paying for these. He's paying for these.
He finally pulls over.
I braked as hard as I could without sliding out. What was that about, man? What was that about? You're in the middle lane.
No middle line.
Yes, you were in the middle lane. I have it on camera. It's recording. So I have it on camera. I know what I was doing. I was in the left lane going straight, and you were in the right lane, which is straight only. You can't turn left in the middle lane. Like you see how there's 3 lanes right here? You were in the middle lane, and I was in the left lane.
Okay, so where did he hit you?
Well, thankfully I braked really hard, but
I'm sorry, we didn't,
oh, it just scared the shit out of me. I almost totaled the bike. It was like, whoo!
We didn't do it on purpose.
And
We just came from UC Davis, and we usually take the straight line.
I understand.
All the way over there. Yeah, we're fine.
I understand. Yep, we're good.
And we just got back to the shortcut to go back in there.
Right. Because all the traffic and stuff. Yeah.
There's some construction. But like,
I hear you.
I didn't even see. I was with him in the front, but I didn't even see.
I hear you.
And I was just giving him directions. To where to go.
Yeah.
But like I said, we just come from UC Davis with his dad. And
So you're not usually down here?
No.
I understand. I mean, I have insurance and everything. I'd rather not have to do that, because I mean, for both of us, it's just going to put points on insurance and stuff, you know what I mean?
So how you want to do it?
I don't know. I mean, the only thing is the fairings are $400, just the plastics. I mean, really all it is the bottom plastic. Yeah, it's just the bottom plastic. I don't know. Let me see how much it is. I mean, if you're willing to pay for it for replacement, because there's no buffing that out. It's plastic.
He said that he can give you 200 and you can replace it.
That'd be cool. That'd be nice. I'm really sorry to ask for that, man. That was just... Thank you, brother. Hey, you're a good man.
Sorry, like I said,
Thank you, bro.
We were trying, and we just, because of
I totally get it.
And some construction is a mess.
I'm tired, and I'm that whole construction too. Like, I want to find a different way home. Trying to get off of 50, and it splits. Oh,
and that's what I'm saying.
I need to go home.
But
hey,
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
And,
have a good day.
Thank you.
The biker received $200 to cover his damages, and he has a message for everyone watching.
Hey, I already know what you guys are gonna say. Oh, dude, you were speeding. I can already see the comments now. Hey, we got paid though, baby.
In the upcoming video, watch how a biker fell from different POVs. The upcoming video will show you why you should always watch over your shoulder. After exchanging their funny story with each other, they didn't see the danger creeping up behind them. It's a reminder, stay alert on the road for everyone's safety, not just your own.
क्या हो गया? ओए क्या हुआ? Fuck यार.
In Virginia Beach, a biker goes in between a stopped car and a crossing pedestrian. Both the pedestrian and the biker made a risky decision, especially considering the biker's choice to ride in the bus lane. The biker continued for a few blocks until traffic slowed him down, giving the pedestrian a chance to catch up.
Hey, you gonna fucking run me over? Huh?
What?
Are you the one that almost ran me over?
He stopped.
Huh?
He didn't stop. He didn't assault me. You just assaulted me. You're on camera. I have
That's
your
fine.
license plate.
But you almost fucking ran me over.
You can't assault me like this.
No,
can't
you
assault
almost ran me the fuck over.
You can't touch me. You can't touch me.
Did you almost run me over?
Doesn't matter.
Did you almost run me over?
Goddamn problem, motherfucker. You about hit my
I
wife.
didn't see you.
As her husband joins in with a baseball bat, the situation takes a sharp turn. The biker's tone immediately goes down.
Fuck that camera. I'm about to fuck you up.
Sorry. I'm just a kid. I'm sorry.
You could have fucking
I wasn't
stopped
looking.
and
I
said
just saw you
something.
stopped. I was just doing
Why don't you
it.
open your mask?
Open
What?
the mask.
Open the face shield.
Hey,
The face shield.
hey, I was,
Hurry.
Next she can't
time-
touch me.
You know
I'm
what?
sorry, I almost
Next
ran you
time
over.
I
Her touching you is the least of your damn worries. I'll kick you off his damn bike. Then what the fuck you gonna
What you
do?
doing?
Then what are
Sorry,
you gonna
I
do?
saw you stop and I just want to go around you. I didn't know
But
why
my
you
wife
stopped.
was
I
walking
didn't
across
see
the
her.
goddamn
What is
Sorry.
in the damn road?
Sorry, sir.
What you gonna do when you hit my wife?
Then
I
what?
didn't hit her.
Because you fucking
You did.
I did not.
Because you wrote.
fucking stop. Because I moved.
Fucking ass.
Because I fucking got out of the way.
Call the cops. We'll settle this shit.
Sir, I need to go home. I'm just trying to get home. I'll get in there.
So you try to run over my wife to get
Because
home?
you're
wasn't
that
trying-
goddamn big of a
sir, I
fucking
wasn't-
hurry.
It wasn't personal at all, sir. I'm really sorry.
No, but you gonna fucking run that goddamn mouth and tell me I'm assaulting you when
you
you
can't
almost
touch me.
goddamn hit me.
You cannot touch me.
You almost fucking ran me over.
You can't
Put
touch
damn assault charges on me. Do it.
Sir, please.
Call them.
Sir, I'm not.
See what
I'm
the
not
fuck
like.
happened?
I'm not a liberal like you think. I'm a
Call
normal
the
kid.
cops. Let's
We
see
don't
you
I don't
never
want to.
tried.
I'm not
We
trying
don't
to
give
call
a
the cops.
fuck.
Because you're retarded.
I'm just trying to get home.
Driving reckless, trying to hit my fucking
I
wife.
wasn't trying to hit your wife, sir.
You fucking almost did.
Fucking almost did. She had
sorry,
to
sir.
jump.
I had to jump out the
You
goddamn
motherfucking
way.
man.
Because you in a
Your
goddamn
fault.
hurry because he fucking slowed down. What the fuck if there's a kid walking in the goddamn road?
The biker pleads to go home and apologizes so a physical altercation gets avoided.
Please, sir. Please, sir. I'm not a bad kid. I'm just trying to get home.
You learn your damn lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
You gonna fucking show your damn ass again?
Apologize to my wife when I walk away. Apologize.
Sorry, man.
Who do you think was at fault, the biker or the couple? Let me know in the comments. During a ride with his friend, this biker failed to notice when his friend braked. The oversight led to significant damage to his bike. However, thankfully, he escaped injury. The driver's distraction nearly caused a collision, but fortunately, the biker skillfully avoided the danger, maintaining control.
Non, faut que tu... En plus de la salme. Bien. Ouais, c'est bon.
Two bikers were patiently waiting at a red light. But little did they know, danger lurked just around the corner. With remarkable speed and agility, they managed to outmaneuver the would-be thief. In the mountain's heart, where roads wind like nature's veins, danger awaits at every turn. With the throttle as his only guide, he pushes the limits, dancing on the edge between control and chaos. But in the blink of an eye, the balance is shattered. A fraction too much throttle, and the speed claims its toll. The biker fights to regain control, but the laws of physics show no mercy. The bike sustained a lot of damage, but luckily for the biker, he sustained no injuries. This video shows a new rider making a rookie mistake. This was a Noob mistake. Don't brake in a turn. You don't want to brake in turns, because braking while leaning will affect your balance. The front wheel could slide out from under you. In this video, the biker braked in the corner, causing him to crash. Then what should you do instead? As a biker, you need to learn to lean. Like all things in life, you need to practice in order to master a skill.
Want me to call 911? Sure?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please consider to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.